Hello, my dear YouTube friends. At the end of January and the beginning of February, everyone has got a winter wedding. Am I right, guys? I got it. Have you got it? So let's decorate this wedding dress today. So first I used my favorite Nivea soft cream as a moisturizer. Then I have applied the face serum of W Square to my face after moisturizing. Totally, this serum is not harmful. And the next, I used my favorite primer from Inside Cosmetics. This is most important part for makeup. Then I used two foundations to apply foundation on my face. One is a little darker than my shade and the another is a little lighter. And the next I applied Swiss Beauty Concealer to highlight my eye area. It is mandatory. Mind it, guys, it is really mandatory. Then follow the next step, nose contour, chin contour. This is another important part. Actually, I have contoured my entire face. The concealer has to be done in a beautiful way, guys. Really. Contour has to be done a beautiful way so that the positioning is perfect. Where you want to create a shadow and in the middle of this nose. The next important step is eyebrows. After eyebrows, I will use a blusher. That's why I used a liquid blusher before using a powder blusher, because this is winter season and it does not stay with the wedding. What do you say? What do you guys? And I highlighted my face and applied the setting spray from Inside Cosmetics. After applying the setting spray, I started my eye makeup. As you can see my shari, I will try to do combined my eye makeup. So I am doing the same for the other eye. I have given a little brown shade from the right corner and I have kept the golden shade inside. It looks very beautiful, guys. In the eye is covered look like this. Really wow. Where I will put the golden shade to make that place more bright. Really look the more bright. First I used a concealer to cover that golden shade and used a shimmer of golden color and used this shimmer from Mars Cosmetics. Then I applied the brown shade on the lower part of the eyes. The next step is very important, eyeliner. I have to apply eyeliner with such a beautiful makeup. Jokes about. Apply the eyeliner. There is a lot of tension for yourself. Chayok, whatever. Then I did not make the kajal too dark, too deep. Just simple. And lastly, I used mascara from Mars Cosmetics. And this is brown shades lipstick, not nude, brown shades lipstick. And finally, I am ready. I am ready, guys. So guys, did not forget to let me know how you like it. And if you like my makeup video, so please do like, share, comment and do subscribe. Bye bye.